Welcome back to the Ring of Knowledge, your trusted source of practical financial knowledge. When many people hear the word cryptocurrency, they think of Bitcoin. However, as Bitcoin grows, its limitations are becoming more evident, with transaction times often taking more than 1 hour. Some cryptocurrencies like Ripple are already solving this problem by offering instant transactions. Is Ripple the next Bitcoin? I will tell you what XRP Ripple is. Everything you need to know in this video. I delve into what exactly XRP is, how it works, who uses XRP, and why. So let's get started. What is Ripple XRP? XRP is different from other cryptocurrencies because it is owned by a single company and not run by a decentralized community. It also doesn't try to be a replacement for regular currencies. Instead, XRP wants to be a middleman currency that lets any unit of value like Bitcoin, the euro, or other fiat currencies be traded worldwide. Ripple is already close with banks and other financial companies. Ripple's main goal is to set up a network that lets as many transactions as possible run simultaneously as quickly as possible. Ripple wants to work with companies interested in the technology, such as large banks, remittance services, and payment providers. It's easy to see that Ripple is more of a competitor to established financial infrastructure services like SWIFT than other cryptocurrencies. How does Ripple XRP work? The Ripple network is not decentralized like other blockchain-based systems. Second, XRP is independent of mining to validate transactions or create new units of XRP currency. Instead, validating servers on the Ripple network are used to process transactions. These servers constantly compare the information they receive and process with a shared ledger. Ripple is an alternative cryptocurrency that allows faster transaction speeds without using as much energy or computer capacity as other alternatives. Ripple's validating servers use a consensus method known as hash tree. The primary distinction between the Ripple network and a blockchain based on proof of work is that Ripple network reaches consensus by comparing not all data, but rather a single value derived from summarizing the data in the ledger. This is in contrast to the proof-of-work blockchain, which compares all data. Private individuals, financial institutions, and banks operate these independent validating servers. Ripple XRP history. Jed McCaleb, an American programmer and entrepreneur who dropped out of UC Berkeley, first dreamed of Ripple. McCaleb started his company, which he previously referred to as OpenCoin, in 2012. He initially conceived Mt. Gox as a marketplace for Magic: The Gathering trading cards. Nevertheless, over time, it developed into a prominent and infamous Bitcoin exchange. Previously, he had established Mt. Gox. McCaleb's concept for Ripple was ultimately engineered by co-developers Arthur Britto and David Schwartz, who he enlisted to help him. And ultimately, Britto and Schwartz successfully had Ryan Fugger fulfill their concept by transforming his initial OpenCoin system into Ripple. By 2018, more than 100 banks had signed up to use Ripple, albeit the vast majority of these banks were only using the messaging capabilities of the underlying infrastructure rather than the XRP coin itself. Additionally, in 2018, Ripple initiated a class action lawsuit in connection with its unregistered sales of XRP tokens, which resulted in gains for Ripple that amounted to millions of dollars. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, classed XRP as a security in 2020 as part of its ongoing legal procedures against Ripple. The SEC also said that Ripple's leadership facilitated the selling of unregistered securities. Even though the United States is suing Ripple for allegedly raising over $1 billion through the sale of XRP, it purportedly unregistered securities offerings. The value of XRP shot up in April of 2021. Understanding the difference between Ripple and XRP. People are often surprised to discover that Ripple and XRP, also called the Ripple digital asset, are different. The confusion is understandable since they have the same name and come from the same place. There are, however, important differences that need to be explained. What is Ripple? Ripple is, first and foremost, a private enterprise software company. The company created the Ripple Protocol, an open source protocol that includes the Ripple Consensus Ledger, RCL, and RippleNet, a set of payment solution products sold to banks, non-financial institutions, and digital currency exchanges. In the RCL, tokens representing fiat currency, cryptocurrency, or any other unit of value can be transferred via distributed ledger technology. Thanks to its open source nature, there are no restrictions on who can use the protocol or when. It lets bank and non-bank actors add the protocols to their systems, which makes them separate from Ripple, the company. Participants in the network reach a consensus on whether a transaction is valid. What is XRP? The XRP is often confused with the RCL. XRP is a native token of the RCL that makes it easier to move money between different currencies across the network. In the beginning, 100 billion XRP units were made. This is an official number that won't go up or down, according to the protocol. XRP was created before the company Ripple Labs was started. For their part, the developers of XRP granted the corporation 80% of all XRP while keeping 20 billion units for themselves. The fact that the digital currency XRP is controlled centrally means that it cannot be mined, which is one of the reasons why banks and corporations favored it. In this context, XRP is often used as a bridging currency. The US dollar is widely accepted as a standard currency in conventional settlement systems. XRP was created with the end goal of dethroning the US dollar as the currency of choice for financial institution settlements. The costs and margins associated with currency conversions can be avoided and processing times reduced if a transaction is initiated in XRP rather than USD. Ripple and the price of XRP. The distinction between XRP and Ripple has been established. XRP is a digital asset, and Ripple is the business that developed the Ripple Consensus Ledger. How does Ripple's success affect the price of XRP? This is a difficult issue, and opinions on it are typically divided. There is a degree of connection between XRP and Ripple. Ripple holds so many XRP tokens that, at the most fundamental level, its value is intrinsically linked to the token's market price. Ripple opted to place 55 billion XRP tokens into an escrow account in 2017 to demonstrate good faith to other network participants that they would not dump all their XRP tokens at once, driving the price down. These XRP tokens will be sold to new network participants via escrow. Therefore, the higher the price of XRP, the more money Ripple can generate from selling it. Each RCL transaction obliterates a small amount of XRP. The average fee is 0.00001 XRP. The purpose of this transaction fee is to prevent spam and denial of service assaults on the network. No money changes hands, and the XRP is destroyed permanently without being used to cover the fee. The fact that a small fraction of XRP is removed from circulation with each transaction means that the currency will eventually become more valuable due to its scarcity. Because of this shortage, XRP tokens will appreciate over time. The RCL's transaction cost is amendable and can be changed as needed. Importantly, as XRP's value increases, the incremental quantity of XRP destroyed with each transaction decreases. While it's impossible to forecast when XRP will cease to exist precisely, it's reasonable to say that it won't be anytime soon. Estimates range from a few decades to a few hundred years, thus a very long time. Ripple has incorporated flexibility into the XRP charge schedule, which suggests that the company will attempt to reduce this price as transaction volumes rise to ensure the protocol's life. Can Ripple exist without XRP? Ripple, the company, could keep going even if XRP didn't exist. Ripple also made the RCL and a set of products called RippleNet that banks, payment providers, and digital asset exchanges can use to send money worldwide without problem. There are three parts to the RippleNet ecosystem: XCurrent, XRapid, and XVIA. Some of these solutions can work without XRP. XCurrent is Ripple's solution for bank-to-bank cross-border settlement. Both XRapid and XVIA are standardized components for institutions that want to send payments over different networks, with the former serving as Ripple's liquidity solution for payment providers. XRP is optional in both XCurrent and XVIA. Nevertheless, it can boost liquidity. Only the XRapid service requires XRP. The Ripple Consensus Protocol can't exist without XRP, but it could still live on if Ripple, the company, fails. The RCL can exchange fiat currency, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or any other unit of value, like mobile minutes or frequent flyer miles. But you can't use the Ripple protocol until you put a small amount of XRP in your digital wallet. This minimum amount of XRP will always stay in your wallet. You can't take out less than that amount. Even if you're doing something on the protocol that has nothing to do with XRP, like exchanging Australian dollars for US dollars, the fact that XRP needed to activate a wallet makes it an essential part of the protocol. XRP is still a digital asset separate from the Ripple company and the RCL. How to mine XRP. Mining is the way that most blockchain-based cryptocurrencies verify transactions. It makes transactions easier and is how new money is added to a cryptocurrency system, usually as a reward for verifiers' work to keep the network running. For example, Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million tokens that are slowly released as more and more transactions are verified. XRP, on the other hand, was pre-mined, which means that the XRP ledger made 100 billion units that were then released to the public at regular intervals. Ripple owns some of the XRP in circulation, which gives it a reason to help the cryptocurrency grow and be successful over time. Some XRPs are kept in reserve so they can be sold regularly. This has led to worries that a lot of XRP could be released at once, lowering the value of the XRP that is already in circulation, since a currency's value comes in part of how rare it is compared to other currencies. What is XRP used for? You can spend or invest in XRP just like any other digital currency. You could also consider the Ripple network to do things like exchange currencies. For example, if you want to trade US dollars for euros, you could first trade your US dollars for XRP on the Ripple network and then use those XRP to buy euros instead of doing the currency exchange directly through a bank or money exchange. This can be faster and less expensive than paying the high fees that banks and money transfer services may charge. Understanding XRP's value. Ripple fixes some of the problems that people have with traditional banks. On the Ripple network, transactions are settled in seconds. This is different from banks, where a wire transfer could take days or even weeks to finish. The cost of making a transaction on Ripple is also very low. A standard transaction costs at least 0.00001 XRP, much less than banks charge for making cross-border payments. As of late August 2022, 1 XRP was worth about 33.75 cents, and Ripple was the 7th largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of more than 16.6 billion. How to buy Ripple XRP cryptocurrency. Like other cryptocurrencies, XRP is a riskier investment. Since it was made in 2012, its value has gone up and down, making it hard to predict what it will be worth. Decide whether to invest in XRP. The value of XRP has changed quickly, just like the value of other cryptocurrencies. If you decide to buy XRP, think about how likely it is to increase in value over time. Right now, the token is one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, and SEC complaint filed in December 2020 claims that XRP was unregistered security and that the company's sale of XRP broke federal securities law. Ripple has denied the claim, saying that XRP is a virtual currency, not a security, so it doesn't have to be registered under the same rules. The lawsuit immediately affected the price and availability of the coin. In January 2021, Coinbase stopped trading XRP on its cryptocurrency exchange because of the allegations. The coin's future is still determined by knowing how the case turns out. The case is still going on as of December 2022. Find a place to buy XRP. XRP is traded worldwide, so there are many ways to buy it. People who want to buy crypto often go to centralized exchanges. They're easier to use than decentralized exchanges, but since a central entity runs them, they're more likely to be hacked. Here are some centralized exchanges you can buy XRP: Kraken, eToro, and Binance. Decide how to pay for XRP. Most exchanges will take fiat currencies like US dollars. Platforms work in different ways and support different currencies, so it's important to look closely at the one you choose. Some have a minimum deposit amount, only support a small number of fiat currencies, or charge a fee to convert cash deposits. You can also add money to your account on different platforms. Some common ways are through automated clearinghouse, ACH transactions from banks, wire transfers, and debit cards. Purchase and store your XRP. The last thing you want to happen after investing in a cryptocurrency like XRP is to lose your tokens. Choosing where to store your cryptocurrency is an important step. Using an exchange. Having a third party handle the management of your cryptocurrency can be a straightforward and easy way to store it. But exchanges can also be risky because they can be hacked or have other technical problems that could cost you your assets. Using your wallet. Storing your crypto can help you avoid losing it to hackers or other bad things that you can't control. But you have to keep track of your private keys, which are long strings of letters and numbers that work like passwords and show that you own cryptocurrencies. If you lose track of them or someone else gets them, you can't get your assets back. Advantages of Ripple. Ripple only charges 0.0001 XRP to validate a transaction. Transactions only take 4 to 5 seconds to finish. Ripple's exchanges network lets you use other cryptocurrencies to complete transactions. Ripple is a reliable way to make transactions because big banks use it. Disadvantages of Ripple. It's hard to keep track of XRP's value because investors need to know when large amounts could be put into circulation. Compared to other cryptocurrencies, it is less decentralized because it keeps a default list of transaction validators. Future of XRP and XRP Prediction. According to a technical analysis of how much XRP will cost in 2023, the least it will cost is 53 cents. The highest the price of XRP can go is 63 cents. The price should be around 55 cents. Experts in cryptocurrencies are ready to share their predictions for the price of XRP in December 2023. During this month, the lowest cost of trading could be 53 cents, and the highest could be 63 cents. On average, XRP might be worth about 55 cents. After looking at how much XRP costs in previous years, the lowest price for XRP in 2024 will be around 79 cents. The most XRP could cost around 95 cents. In 2024, the average price could be 81 cents. Is XRP a good investment? According to CoinMarketCap, Ripple has a total market cap of $35 billion and ranks 8th after coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. One of the best things about Ripple as an investment choice is that many large financial institutions use it. This could cause XRP to go up in the future. Just imagine what happens next. If Ripple becomes accepted by banks worldwide and you've already invested in it, you might be sitting on a gold mine. Ripple is more convenient, faster, and cheaper than the traditional bank-to-bank system SWIFT. It's no secret that banking platforms can take up to a day to complete a transaction, while Ripple can move money worldwide in a few seconds. Also, because XRP is used to pay for transactions, expensive currency exchanges and fees are kept to a minimum. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.